Everything looks good here, very organized.
Yes, they are loading smoothly. We can prepare the next truck.
Come on in, ladies. Easy now. This way, plenty of food inside. Gently now, keep the pace steady. We are approaching the gate for the checkup.
All readings stable. The scan is complete.
Confirmed. Vitals look excellent.
The biometric scan on Unit 47 is complete. All vitals are optimal.
Confirmed. The growth
The synchronization is holding at 99% efficiency.
Acknowledged. Water pressure remains optimal across all units. We need to increase the duration for the final rinse.
Confirmed. Extending the cycle by 20 seconds.
Monitor the airflow in section gamma. It seems slightly low.
Adjusting the temperature now. It should compensate for the humidity. We need to increase the fan speed for the rear vents.
Confirmed. Adjusting parameters now for optimal drying uniformity.
Proceed calmly to the entrance, maintaining formation. The next sector is ready for transition.
The automated system is performing flawlessly today, Elena.
Indeed. The consumption levels are perfectly balanced.
Maintain speed at 0.5 meters per second. Trajectory is stable.
Confirmed. All parameters are within the safety margin.
The uniformity of the cuts is excellent.
Agreed. The flow rate is exactly as projected for this cycle.
The texture is perfectly uniform. Output quality confirmed.
Agreed. The calibration is holding steady. The pressure levels are stable.
Good. Maintain synchronization across all jets.
The rotation sequence is perfect now. Look at the coverage.
Yes, the calibration worked. We can proceed with the final cycle.
We need to increase the temperature slightly to ensure uniformity.
I am making the adjustment now. The flow looks good.
The temperature in VAT 3 is fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters.
Yes, I see the deviation. Adjust the coolant flow rate by 5%.
Set point adjusted to 22.
Confirmed. Readings are stable across the board.
The flow rate is optimized. Efficiency is at 99.9%.
Confirmed. The purity levels are stable across all stages.
The flow rate is stable at 500 liters per hour.
Purity levels remain optimal. The batch is clear.
The fatty acid ratio is stable at 0.9.
Good. Increasing the alkali flow slightly now. The viscosity is stabilizing now. Let's increase the flow rate.
Adjusting the alkali solution now. Ratios are balanced.
Check the viscosity reading on sector 4.
It's stable at 2500 centipoise. Consistency is perfect. The viscosity is stabilizing. Let's increase the rotation speed by 10%.
Agreed. The mixture looks consistent now.
Surfactant levels adjusted to 80%.
Confirmed. Values are stable.
The blend is achieving optimal consistency.
Indeed. We are ready for the next phase.
The viscosity is increasing exactly as projected. The consistency looks perfect, very smooth.
The viscosity levels are optimal for the current phase.
Agreed. The texture is perfectly uniform, exceeding the premium standard. The viscosity levels are optimal. Texture confirmed.
Agreed. The mixture is perfect.
Checking the flow rate on the secondary unit. Pressure remains stable within optimal parameters.
Adjusting now. Stable parameters achieved.
The current infusion rate seems slightly low for the desired concentration.
Agreed. I will adjust
The flow rate for the fragrance seems optimal now. Agreed. Let's increase the moisturizer by 5% and monitor the viscosity.
The mixture inside is perfectly smooth, ensuring the highest quality product every time. We are now adding the active ingredients.
The viscosity is stabilizing at the target rate.
Yes, the blending speed is perfectly consistent now.
Adjusting the speed settings as required.
Excellent. The blend is reaching its uniform consistency. Vacuum levels are holding steady. The mixture appears perfectly dense now.
Agreed. The refining process is complete.
The pressure is stabilizing now. Let's increase the vacuum by 5 pascals.
Confirmed. The mixture looks perfectly clear.
The flow rate is stable at 200 liters per minute.
System readiness is optimal. We are ready for molding.
Check the viscosity levels on screen 3.
Confirmed. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
The alignment on line 3 is perfect.
Yes, the transition to the shaping section is completely smooth. The alignment on line 3 looks correct now.
Yes, the adjustments stabilize the flow.
The alignment on mold 3 seems slightly off.
Yes, I am making the adjustment now. Quality control is paramount.
The consistency looks perfect on the screen.
Yes, the gloss level is exactly within parameters. The consistency on batch 42 appears flawless.
Agreed. The weight and moisture levels are within the premium threshold.
The surface finish is absolutely perfect on this batch. Reorganization.
Yes, the uniformity is excellent.
The alignment on this batch looks perfect, Elena. Spacing is exactly within tolerance.
Agreed.
Yes, the alignment is now perfect. Quality control confirmed.
Check the airflow settings on the main panel.
Temperature is stable at 20 degrees Celsius. Airflow is optimal.
We need to lower the airflow speed slightly in the next segment.
Okay, I am updating the profile now.
Temperature holding steady at 15 degrees Celsius. Hardening process is optimal. Confirmed. The gloss is impeccable.
Everything is running smoothly. The new packaging mechanism is flawless.
Indeed, the speed and precision are exactly as projected.
I am checking the firmness now. It feels consistent.
Yes, all indicators are green for this production run.
The edge trimming looks exquisite on this run.
Absolutely, the rollers are performing flawlessly.
The edge radius needs adjustment on the next batch. I am increasing it by 0.5 millimeters now.
We are maintaining synchronization across all heads. Pressure levels are stable.
Confirmed. The branding is flawless.
Quality check confirms the branding. Everything is within tolerance.
Looks perfect. We can proceed with the batch.
The embossing on batch 7 looks exceptionally crisp today.
Yes, the alignment is perfect across the line.
Surface smoothness is perfect on this one. Alina, check the logo clarity.
Looks excellent, Maria. No defects detected in this run.
The logo is sharp and the finish is impeccable. These meet our ultra-luxury standards.
The alignment on line 3 is perfect, exceeding the target speed.
Yes, the calibration we performed this morning has stabilized the flow rate.
Check the film tension, it seems slightly off.
Confirmed. Adjusting the heat seal temperature now.
The alignment on the blue accent is precise.
Yes, the Dove logo is perfectly centered on this batch.
Check the edges on this batch, they look excellent.
Confirmed. The sealing precision is exactly to standard.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before the next batch arrives. The synchronization is flawless today. We are exceeding targets.
Make sure the logos are all facing up in that crate.
Got it. We want them looking perfect for the shipment.
The alignment on this batch looks perfect and the print quality is sharp.
Agreed. The sealing condition is also...
The clarity and sealing meet the standards. Confirmed for continuous flow.
The alignment on line 3 is perfect.
Yes, and the throughput to storage zone C is steady.
Everything seems to be running smoothly today.
Yes, the alignment is perfect on this batch of Dove.
Welcome to the future of luxury soap distribution. As you can see, our Dove stock is perfectly organized and ready. Absolutely pristine.
This is the best soap we produce. You should definitely try it.
Yes, it's our finest product. Check the manifest against the current load count on the display.
All units match the order details, and we are cleared for dispatch.
Look at that precision. The stacking is flawless.